How would you like each and every one of your clients to send out 50 to 100 marketing pieces for you for no charge? That's what thank you cards, save the date cards, and holiday cards can do for you. You can design all of these cards in just a few clicks in Fundy Designer. First, head to the design library and download all of the templates that you want. We have tons of save the date, holiday cards, birth announcements, everything that you need for a wedding and portrait business. Download the designs that you want and they will be in Fundy Designer for you to use over and over again. Just head on over to the card module, choose your size, and start designing. Simply drop your images or images in, change the names, you can even change the colors if you want. And when you're done, you can even order direct through Miller's in just a few clicks. But the great thing, on every single card on the back is a place for your logo, your website, your telephone number, all of your contact information. So when your clients send out a beautiful photo to all of their friends and relatives, right on the back is going to be your studio with your contact information. And that is a marketing piece that you don't have to pay for because your clients are buying those cards and they're paying for postage. So if you want to create beautiful cards that are easy to design and easy to order, head on over to fundydesigner.com and download the free trial.